Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our Terraform Init arcade challenge, build, change and destroy cloud infrastructure second lab that is running Windows container on compute engine. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous two labs and the solution of the next lab that is deploy Microsoft SQL Server and the solution of explore the next lab second lab actually that is HTTPS content based load balancer with Terraform. एक्चुअली हुआ क्या कि ये दोनों लैब जो थी हमारी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वाले और एचटीटीपी वाली ये पहले भी चैलेंजेस में आ चुकी हैं, तो उनके सॉल्यूशन पहले से मेरे चैनल पे अपलोड हैं, तो आप वहाँ से जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. सो हाउ कैन यू एक्सेस द सॉल्यूशन? बाय सिंपली क्लिक ऑन द आई बटन ऑन द टॉप राइट कॉर्नर. जैसे आप आई बटन क्लिक करेंगे सारे सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएंगे लैब के. विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम स्टार्ट दिस लैब एंड वेट फॉर द पेज टू बी लोडेड अप. Once the page get loaded, simply click on the start lab button to get the credentials which is required to activate our lab. Okay, so wait for it to get loaded. After that, once the credentials get loaded, simply click on the start button here under the start button and search for the remote desktop connection. You will see there's something like this. You need to open it. Okay, and wait for it to get open. Here, first of all, you need to remove this computer IP address. Remove it and copy this external IP address. Copy it carefully. Come back to here, paste it here, click on the connect button. Now we need the username. Wait for it to stabilize the connection. It will ask you for the username. Make sure you click on the more choices first, then click on the use a different account. Okay, then paste this username, this one, copy it very carefully. Come back to here, paste it under here. Now for the password, copy this last password, copy it very carefully. ध्यान से कॉपी करेंगे, हमें दो पासवर्ड गिवन है, हम लास्ट वाला कॉपी करेंगे. Come back to here, paste it here, click on the OK button. A command prompt will be open. We need to allow something, wait for it to get open. This is the pop-up menu. You need to click on this yes button and after that your connection with the virtual machine get stabilized. ये remote desktop connection होता है, एक particular IP address पे हमें एक virtual machine provide की जाती है. ये completely safe है, आपको डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. सबसे पहले आपको ऐसा एक command prompt दिखेगा, तो हम इसे minimize कर देते हैं and come back to the lab, scroll down, keep scrolling and yes, keep scrolling and copy this first command that is docker images. Copy it, come back to here, paste it under the command prompt, paste it very carefully and hit enter button. Okay, after that come back to the lab, scroll down, keep scrolling, copy the next command. This is first one. Come back to here, paste it under the terminal once again under the command prompt. Okay, paste it here very carefully, hit enter button. Now copy the next command. It will help us to create a directory. Paste it here, hit enter button and we then cd to that directory which we just created. Okay, now what we need to do, simply come back to the lab, scroll down. Now you can see we need to create the folder named as content and a file name as index.html. So first of all we will create a directory named as the content. So come back to here, paste it here and hit enter button. Okay, now we need to create a folder name as the index.html. So copy this command, come back to here, paste it here and hit enter button. After that you need to copy this notepad command. It will open the index.html file in the notepad. Okay, so paste it here under the command prompt once again, hit enter button and it will open a notepad file for you. Okay, you can see it opens a notepad. Okay, so we need to copy and paste some content under here. So once again minimize this terminal, scroll down, copy this fourth command, copy it very carefully, come back to here, paste it under this notepad file. Let me maximize it, paste it here. After that click on the file button, then click on the save button. Okay, then after that we can cut this, cross it, minimize it, scroll down, copy this first command of the third task, copy it very carefully, come back to here, paste it under the command prompt once again, hit enter button. Now copy the next command. Once again it will open the docker file under the notepad. Paste the command here, hit enter button and you will see a notepad file gets open. Okay, so we need to again paste some content here. So come back to the lab, scroll down, copy this third command. This will be the content required to paste it under the notepad. तो हम यहाँ पर आएंगे, इसे मैक्सिमाइज करते हैं, पेस्ट करेंगे यहाँ पर whatever the content we copied. After that we need to click on the file button, click on the save button and cut it. Okay, then minimize again, scroll down, copy this command, come back to here and let me see, yes, paste it under the terminal under the command prompt, hit enter button. Now copy the next command. Let me check what's the last command that we run. Okay, so this is under the process. अभी हमने जो last command paste किया वो अभी process में है, तो it will take around 4 to 5 minutes to complete each and every downloading process. So wait for the 5 minutes. Until then, in that time, make sure you hit the like button to this video, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any notification regarding the upcoming lab solution. मेक श्योर आप प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके रखिए, क्योंकि जितनी भी मैं लैब सॉल्यूशन डालूंगा आपको तुरंत मिलते रहेगा नोटिफिकेशन. ओके, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, सिंपली सिट बैक एंड रिलैक्स एंड वेट फॉर दिस टू गेट कंप्लीटेड. So it's already passed around 10 minutes because there was a power connection. So it's already been up to 15 minutes. But आपका ये जो पूरा है 5 से 6 मिनट में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. मेरा भी रन हो गया है. आफ्टर सक्सेसफुल completion of the code, you will see a message like this: successfully built and successfully tagged. After that, what you need to do, simply minimize this tab, scroll down, click on the check my progress, and you will get the green tick in the task, that is task number 3, and assessment is complete. With this completion, our lab is actually completed too. Congratulations. Don't focus on the time because there was a power cut, that's why it's showing only 24 minutes left. But आपके में इतना टाइम नहीं लेगा, आपके 5 से 10 मिनट के अंदर ही आपका ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और आपको चेक माई प्रोग्रेस पे ग्रीन टिक मिल जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, simply click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, and after that give the star rating that you want to give. You can also leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit button, come back to main page to verify whether our lab is actually completed or not. Okay, तो verify करते हैं, scroll down करेंगे, keep scrolling, open it, and you will see a green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed our lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.